another topic. So, today I will tell you about the topic from the community health nursing. This is the role of female health worker. So, who is female health worker? Female health workers comes under the multi-purpose worker scheme, and there is one female health worker and one male health worker. Both are working in sub-center. So, sub-center mainly covers the population is in plain area is about 5,000 and in hilly areas 3,000, and the female health worker mainly cover 350 to 500 families, and the sub-center is a primary contact between the primary health center and the community. Next I will tell you about the function and role of female health worker or ANM. So, female health worker mainly provide care like maternal and child health care, family planning, universal immunization program, provide care and treatment for the communicable diseases, for the non-communicable diseases, provide care for the minor element, work as a team activities and participate in provide and coordinate with the other health worker. So, there are so many worker the female health worker perform in the sub-center and the primary health center. One by one we will discuss about each function. So, first is maternal and child health care. In maternal and child health care, the female health worker mainly provide care to the pregnant woman and the baby after the birth of the baby. So, she will provide care at the antenatal time, at the intranatal time and at the postnatal time. She would provide education related to antenatal diet, antenatal exercise, postnatal diet, postnatal exercise, and she should conduct delivery and she should supervise delivery while attending these deliveries, and she should provide education regarding the breastfeeding, and she should provide referral care for the patient who have complication in the deliveries, and she should refer the patient at the PHC level, and she should provide follow-up services for the further treatment. She should monitor the growth and development pattern of the children. So, that is comes under the maternal and child health care. Next one is family planning. In family planning mainly she will assess the new cases like new eligible couple and provide education regarding the family planning and the use of contraceptive methods, and she will go to the community and educate the people who have 2 or more children, provide education regarding the family planning methods like terminal methods, permanent method or spacing method. What are the methods? She will provide education related to that, and she will transfer or provide some methods used for the contraception. Next one is medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. So, in that mainly she will assess the cases, new cases, and provide education regarding to septic abortion. What are the complications of septic abortion? She will provide education related to that. Next is provide nutritional services for the children and mother. She will provide iron and folic acid tablets to the children and the mother, identify the new cases of malnourishment for the under 5 children, provide oral prophylaxis, vitamin A prophylaxis to the babies to prevent any problem in the eye, and next one is provide treatment for the communicable diseases. In communicable diseases, what are the communicable diseases comes under the community? Mainly dengue, malaria, tuberculosis, diarrhea, diphtheria, pertussis, filaria. So, these are the communicable diseases. Now, in the mainly the incidence rate of coronavirus, mainly the prevalence of coronavirus is in the India or in out of the world. So coronavirus is pandemic communicable disease. So mainly there will be advertisement and education related to coronavirus, how it will spread and what are the preventive measures, what are the signs and symptoms, what is the social distancing and how to do hand washing. So these are the things we are providing education related to coronavirus to prevent this and reduce the communicable disease. Next one is non-communicable disease. In non-communicable disease mainly what we will provide education, like heart disease. In heart disease mainly CAD, coronary artery disease, hypertension, heart stroke, so many respiratory disease, respiratory failure. So what are the causes for this non-communicable disease? First we will identify this disease condition and educate the community people regarding this, because the community people not aware about that. So we should identify the educational level of the community people, and according to that only we should provide education and preventive measures to the people in sub center or primary health center. Next is our vital statistic or vital event. In vital statistic what we will do? We will do survey and identify the morbidity and mortality rate, birth rate, death rate, marriage rate. Next one is team activity. So female health worker work as a team in the community. She should participate in the campaign and she will conduct the staff meeting at PHC and coordinate with the male health worker, ASHA, Anganwadi, and supervise and coordinate with other team worker also. So coordination is very important for any team to work smoothly and work properly. So next function is, there is so many things comes under the role of female health worker, and there is a one function is also, that is treatment of minor element. In minor element what are the things comes under the minor element? Is like first aid care, primary care, what are the like snake bite care, fever, diarrhea. So there the female health worker provide education how to make ORS and how to treat and what are the first aid for the snake bite, dog bite. So these are the minor element. So this is all about our role of female health worker. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much.